Hi everyone, Siavash here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can utilize our integration to use with your AI receptionist. To give you a little bit of background, so in this video, I'm going to show you how our integration ClinicSync Pro will facilitate the appointment booking, rescheduling, and cancellation from your GHL to your Jane. We are not providing you with the AI per se. What we are doing is we connect your GHL calendar events into the Jane calendar events. So as long as you have your voice AI handling the appointment booking or cancellation and rescheduling, however you design it, and it gets booked, canceled, or rescheduled on the GHL calendar, our integration will mirror that into your Jane instantly. And in this video, I'm going to show you live how it's going to work. On the left-hand side, I have a GHL calendar. I'm just going to go on Wednesday the 16th. On the right-hand side, I'm booking for this staff. And I'm going to book for 10:30 a.m. I'm going to select that. I'm just going to name this testy first, testy, and then all for ding, 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 ding. And then put some email there and confirm. I'll schedule a meeting. That should show up on the right-hand side in a sec once the meeting is gone through. So just give it a sec and it will show up automatically on the right-hand side. There we go. So the appointment showed up on the right-hand side, as you can see, 10:30 a.m. Now what we're going to do, we're going to show you how you can how the cancellation and rescheduling is going to work. As you can see, I am in my appointment section in my GHL. This is the last one that we booked, so 10:30 PDT. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to move it. So I'm just going to click on this, and I'm just going to click on, sorry, I'm going to click on this and then click on reschedule. And I'm going to keep the date, but I'm just going to make it a little bit earlier. So let's say it's 10:30. I'm just going to move it to 9. And then I'm going to hit save and see what happens on the right hand side. Just give it a second, see if it actually moves. Might take a little bit longer because we're actually moving the appointment, so there's a little bit more things to do in here. So just give it a sec. And as you can see, it jumped up there. Now I'm just going to click on this and cancel the appointment. So let's go ahead and click on cancel, and it should delete it from the calendar on the right hand side. So let's click on cancel, then click on update, and just give it a sec, and it will go through the same process as well. Let's see if we get the cancellation coming through as well. I'm just going to pause it for a sec. Okay, I'll just pause it for 2 seconds to connect my earpods again, because this is a live demo, and as you can see, it just got disappeared. So I fully showed you how you can actually cancel, reschedule, and book an appointment via GHL and see it live in Jane. Now, how this whole thing actually work in the background. So I'm just going to go ahead in here on the left-hand side into automations. And it's very, very simple. So let me just do this. So we have three simple workflows. So the first one is when an appointment gets booked into your GHL calendar, which is this one. You just need one webhook, and we already have a video for this one, and you provide some information and we push it into the Jane calendar. So this is the minimum information that we need, the staff member email address and also the treatment. There's two other items that are optional and you can add. So location, if you have multiple location, and the room number. Okay, so that's that. So this is how the booking from the GHL goes into Jane. And then we got the let's go ahead and talk about the cancellation. So when an appointment gets canceled, again, very, very simple. So you got a trigger on the appointment, and the appointment status is canceled, and literally don't need to do anything. Just basically call this webhook, and that's how the cancellation happens. And then the last one is the reschedule. So if I go and show you the reschedule, so the appointment status, again, you just look at the same calendar that we're working with. And this one is a little bit more complicated. You need an if-else statement. So basically what you need to look for is in here. So when you click on this, you want to click on appointment, and then you say if it's rescheduled, and you say yes, it is rescheduled. Then do the webhook, and again, the webhook is like this, and everything else is handled by our backend. There we go. So for those of you that already have the uh, ClinicSync Pro integration and also have the AI booking enabled on your account, you can just hit me up and I'll send you these two endpoints as well so you can use it. But for those of you that don't have our integration, so for this to work, you need to have our integration, clinicsyncpro.com. And basically, once you get that, you just request for us to enable the AI booking for you. You can also do it via the dashboard as well because it needs a setup for us, so it has a setup fee. And once that is enabled, you're good to go. And right now, this is only working with GHL, but in the future, we're basically gonna release these APIs. So no matter where you call it from, whether GHL or any other platform, it will work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.